Hello everyone. In this practical session, I'll be showing you how to use Trello on your smartphone. So, firstly, what's Trello? What do we understand by Trello? Okay, so Trello is a project management tools that virtual assistants use to organize tasks, track process, and collaborate with clients. Right. So, the first step we have to do for us to be able to access Trello is to download the app. You can go to your Play Store or your App Store to download this app. And after downloading, you sign up. If you do not have an account before, you have to sign up. Then, if you have an account, you can just log in with your email that you've used to sign up the last time you use it. So now let's get straight into the video. So the first thing we have to do is to create a workspace. I already created mine. Already created my workspace. So you just create your workspace and you give it a name that fits what you want to do, right? So after that, you create a board. So right now let's create a board. We'll tap on this plus sign down here, create the board, and this my home workspace is Horoluwa workspace. We can all see it, right? So now I want to tie to my board. And I'll title it clients client tax. Okay, so we'll tap on. If you want to change your background, it is very very possible. Just tap on this board background. There are different colors you can use. So I'll be using this. You tap on create board. Okay, now I already created my board, and right now we have to create a list of what we want to do. So the first list is to-do list. To do, tap on this mark, and we'll add another list, maybe in progress. We'll mark it, and the last one should be completed. Okay, so now these are the things we want to do, right? This to-do list, these are the things that we want to do. So under the to-do list, so sorry, under the to-do list, we'll add some card names to it. So let me just add reply. Like, these to-do lists are the things that you want to do, right? Maybe you haven't started it. It's just like a plan. Yeah, you have a plan for something and you just want to jot it down somewhere so that you'll be tracking your plans, right? So let's continue. Reply reply to emails. Okay, mark it. And what else? Schedule meetings. Okay, I'm so sorry. Organize Google Calendar. And let me just add one more. Research. Okay. Potential clients. So right now, these are my to-do lists, right? These are my to-do lists. So if you want to add more, you can add more. It is very very possible, right? So after creating the to-do list and we've created the card under my to-do list, I can now, okay, let me tap on one card. Let me open a card. Reply to emails. So there are other options here. There are other options to use here. So we can add card description. Okay, let me just add anything. Every Monday, and we can label our card. So sorry. Okay. important. You can change the color to any color of our choice and tap on this match and use this to less important. Okay, so now we already made it less important. You can change it to important too if that's what you want, right? See, so if you want to add a member, maybe you guys are in a team or you have a team that you're working with, you can just add a member, and of course you have you have the emails of the people you want to add, right? So you can add the start date. Maybe you have to start this on, okay, let me pick a date, maybe on the 30th. Yeah, maybe one is cool. Done. And the due dates, we can set a due date to it. Okay, 29 9 a.m. done. A day before, right? So we already set a reminder for this task. We can add any attachments, maybe either an image or video or anything, right? So this checklist, you can have a checklist like what you want to do, like how you want it to be, how you want this email to be sent, right? So you can just add it to it. I do not want this video to be too long, so and after I'm done with this task, this particular task, I can just add a comment. I'm done, please review. Okay, so let's go back here. You see, to move this reply to emails card from to do to completed, there are different ways we can do it. You can just tap on it and move it. You can just tap on it and remove and move it. And there are other options like tapping the card and tap on this move card to completed and mark. See, client task completed. This is it. So you can add so many lists as possible, and when you are done with it, if those works are still in progress, right, you can just move them to this place to in progress, and when it is completed you can move it to completed, sorry. So this is the basic way to use Trello on your smartphone. So you can just spend some time practicing by creating your own board and adding lists. And we'll see each other in our next class. Bye.